Hello everyone, welcome back to my presentation. I hope you are all doing well. Today I would like to present a topic entitled conceptual framework, uh, framework. This topic is very important in accounting because it serves as the foundation for financial reporting and accounting standard. In this presentation, I will explain the meaning of a conceptual framework, its purpose, objective, qualitative, characteristic element of financial statement and recognition and measure concept. Um, this this presentation is titled conceptual framework. The conceptual framework play a crucial role in accounting because it provides the basic concept and principle that guide accountant in preparing financial statement. By understanding the conceptual framework, can better Okay, let's begin with the introduction to the conceptual framework. A conceptual framework is a system of concept, objective, and principle that serves as the foundation for accounting standard and financial reporting. It helps accountant prepare financial statement in a consistent and systematic manner. In other words, it assets as guidelines that ensure accounting information it is prepared according to assets principle. The conceptual framework is important because it improves the quality, transparency, and comparability of accounting information. It also serves as guidance for various parties, including accountant, standard setting bodies, investor, and financial statement users. When companies apply a conceptual framework properly, they can provide financial information that is more useful for making economic decisions. For example, investor can use financial statement to decide whether they should invest in a company, while creditor can use the information to evaluate the economy ability to repay debts. Okay, now let's discuss the purpose of the conceptual framework. The main purpose of the conceptual framework is to guide the and presentation of financial statement. It it helps. Um, sorry. Objective of financial reporting. Now, let's talk about the objectivities of financial reporting. On one of the most important parts of the conceptual framework is explaining while financial reports are prepared, the primary objective of financial reporting is to provide useful information to investor, creditor, management, and other stakeholders. This information helps them make decisions related to investing, lending, and evaluating company performance. Financial reports also provide information about several important aspects of a business, including assets, liabilities, revenue, expense, and cash flow. For example, investor may analyze a company revenue and profit before deciding to buy share, while lender may explain liabilities and cash flow before approving a loan. Now let's move on the quality characteristics of accounting information. For accounting information to be useful, it must possess certain qualitative characteristics. There are two fundamental qualitative characteristics. The first is relevance, which means the information can influence economic decisions by helping users predict future outcome or confirm past influence. The second is vital representation, which means the information accurately reflect the company actual financial condition and economic event. In addition to the fundamental characteristics, there are also exchange qualitative characteristics. In in the first comparability, which allow user to compare information across different companies and different periods. Two, variability, three, timelines, and four, understandability. Together, these characteristics ensure that accounting information is useful and reliable for decision making. Okay, element of financial statement. Now, next, let's discuss the element financial statement to concept. The conceptual framework identifies several key element that are used in accounting. The first element in assets, two liabilities, three equity, four revenue, and five expense, and nine and six gains and loss. Um, each the each of these elements helps stakeholder evaluate a company financial position, and overall performance. Now let's discuss recognition and measure concept. Recognition is the process of including financial items in financial statement on they meet specific criteria. For example, when a company purchases equipment, the equipment can be recognized as an asset because it provides future economic benefit. Measurement refers to determining the monetary value of counting element. There are several common measurement based the one, historical cost; two, current cost; three, fair value; and four, present value. Proper recognition and measure are extremely important because inaccurate measurement can affect report profits, financial position, and business decision. To conclude this presentation, the conceptual framework serves as the foundation of accounting standard and financial reporting practice. It provides guides for preparing financial statement. are relevant, reliable, and understandable. Two conceptual framework also improve consistency, transparency, and comparability in accounting practice. By understanding and applying the conceptual framework, companies can produce high quality financial information to support better economic decision making for investor, creditor, management, and other stakeholders. That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention and for taking the time to listen. I hope this presentation has helped you understand the importance of the conceptual framework in accounting and financial reporting. If you have any question or suggestion, thank you. Stay safe, and have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.